Dude, those wheels. And the chain too, oh man. Damn. Now are these for like saddlebags?
Yeah, for those
Thrash and supply bags?
Yep.
You got the block off plate. Man. Dude. Oh no, it's all right. It looks awesome, dude. That looks awesome.
Think it turned out pretty good?
Hell yeah. That is sick. So you gonna hold on to it for a while? Yeah, right? You got custom.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, man. I'm pretty crazy, so I mean I might sell it and build something else, or
Right?
who knows.
Look at that.
Wow.
Dude, that is awesome.
Just a little old street bob.
Man, it's got that 114 though.
Yeah.
You know? What is this, a dampening kit?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean you gotta look close at some of the
stuff.
Wasting money on.
You did the ODI grips too, didn't you?
Yeah.
I like those. I just put them on mine too.
Yeah, they're comfortable.
What are these 12-inch pullbacks?
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, I'm short, so like they fit my arms a little better.
I love the gloss black wheels, man.
You want big gloss black wheels on yours now?
I mean, I love the bronze, dude.
I do too.
You know? I see a lot of people change them. I'm like, dude, after having the spokes on the Street Bob, I'm like, man, anything's better than that, you know?
Yeah. I sold the spokes last night.
Did you finally sold them?
Yeah, some guy, like his nephew, hit a pothole and like bent the rear wheel.
See, that's perfect,
And I
man.
was like, bro, I could probably get you both of these for cheaper than you can buy one from the dealer.
Somebody's gonna want them. Somebody got them. That's awesome, man. Did you ever get passenger pegs put on there?
I got them at home. I just gotta slap them on there. I just took them off when I took the exhaust off.
Infinite write-up.